Welcome to Statistical Observatory. Today, we are diving into India's unemployment trends over the past 5 years, 2019 to 2023, revealing key insights into the nation's labor market and what the future might hold. Starting in 2019, India's unemployment rate was recorded at 5.3%, reflecting a relatively stable job market. However, in 2020, the rate surged to 7.1%, largely due to the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The following year, 2021, saw a slight improvement with a decrease to 6.7%, but challenges persisted. By 2022, the unemployment rate increased again to 7.6%, indicating ongoing economic struggles. As of 2023, the unemployment rate stands at 7.2%, showing a modest recovery but still highlighting the need for more robust job creation strategies. Looking ahead, the forecast for India's unemployment rate suggests further challenges, with predictions of 7.9% in 2024, 8.3% in 2025, and 8.7% in 2026. These projections emphasize the need for strategic interventions to address the growing unemployment rate. These numbers underscore the importance of understanding economic indicators to gauge a country's economic health. If you have a topic you'd like us to analyze, drop your suggestions in the comments below. Stay tuned to Statistical Observatory for more insightful analyses. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on global and national economic trends.